I made it to my lake. Thought for some reason I might be able to go fishing, but it's too rainy, it's too windy. The lake is too full, too mucky around there, so it just ain't happening. But I still got a good hike on. You can tell the trail's practically a river. Fortunately, this is not a super long hike, so I'll probably be back in my car in about an hour. But it is a miserable day, and surprise, surprise, I didn't see anybody. On the bright side, I would say the fire danger is probably pretty low today, so there's that. At this point, even my feet are wet, so yay. Talk at you later.